Yeah. What is it?
What is this?
What does it look like? See the little pocket right here? Remember what I told you? What is it? Yeah. You excited? What's in there? Yeah?
Did you not get it?
Because you didn't put it under your pillow yet, silly.
What?
She's not going to come if you don't do it yourself. I made that pillow for you. I picked all of it out and I stitched it.
I helped a little bit.
What are you looking at? Are you excited?
What was that?
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
I love you.
Love you.
Show me your teeth. Good big old hole.